Hi, this is Oyanangshu from Kolkata. This is the last part, third part of my Discus tank build series. The first part of the video will be how I am setting up the canister filter. Second part will be fish unboxing. And along with the setting up of canister filter, I will also release few clown loaches. That is my plan, because I don't believe in fishless cycle. I will be releasing some fish so that the good bacteria get their food also. And I will wait for 10 days. If everything goes well, if my water parameter are stable, my nitrogen cycle has jump started, if the clown loaches are showing that they are doing well, then I will release my other fishes. So enjoy the video. If you like my video, then obviously subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So these are the thing I will be using for the filtrations. This is mainly burned ceramic, which will be used for biological filtration. This is Purigen I am using. This is a very good product. This will clear up the water. For denitrifications I am using dinitrate of CHM, and this is the activated carbon. So these three, Purigen, this denitrifying factor from CHN, and the activated carbon, these are for chemical filtrations. This is for biological filtrations. All the good bacteria will be having their home here. And then finally, there are foam and sponge inside the canister filter, which will be doing the mechanical filtrations. So a good standard Discus aquarium must have all three kinds of filtrations. Mechanical filtrations in terms of the sponge, which are actually taking up the debris initially. Then it should go through the chemical filtration process through Purigen, activated carbon, and this denitrifying factor, and finally through it will go to the biological filtration process. One basket I will be filling up with this, one basket with this, another two baskets will be of foam and other stuff, which will be taking up the fish poop and other debris from the aquarium. So let me first start the filtrations, then I will come back to you. Now I have started the filter. Down there is the filter. But one more thing I want to show you is that, look, there is a sponge filter, mechanical sponge filter. This is a pretty old sponge, and you can see that this has not been cleared for a long time. So this is how I want to jumpstart the cycle, the nitrogen cycle, because this is home for good bacteria. This was running in a different aquarium, and I have installed it here with the newly set up canister filter. I am hoping that the good bacteria which is having their home here, now they will be going into the canister filter and they will be having their new home there. So that will jumpstart the process of nitrogen cycle as early as possible. Still, I may have to wait for few days, maybe a week. After that week, I will start unboxing the fishes and the aquarium will be fully operational. So these are the 7 clown loaches that I will be releasing here to start the nitrogen cycle. I don't believe in fishless cycle. The bacteria need to be fed. These are pretty strong fish and I'm having them for more than 1 year. So just see how they are going to play.
music.
More or less 7-8 days have passed after setting my filter and also installing the old mechanical filter from the previous tank to start the cycle. As I said that I don't believe in fishless cycle, so I also kept 7-8 clown loaches here for last 7-8 days, and fortunately all of them are surviving, they're thriving. So I decided this is the time to unbox the fish. Today I will be releasing here 5 big size cardinal tetra, 2 auto sinclairs and 1 pleco L200 green phantom pleco. Apart from that I will be also releasing 3 discus here. Hopefully they will do fine, because my clown loaches are showing that everything is alright. There is no problem with the parameter of the water. I'm maintaining it. There the clown loaches are. You can see them. They are hiding most of the time behind this bush, and that was the old filter I installed. I'm having a AM thermostat. I'm maintaining a 28 degrees Celsius here. So that's it. Let us now release them in their own home. I hope they will be happy, because they used to be in a 2.5 feet tank and now they are moving to a much larger 5 feet tank.